Shalom from Israel. I'm here today at the Global Fintech conference, and I'd like to speak to you about two areas. One is about the Israel insurance market, and the second is around the growing, accelerating pace of innovation in the Insurtech space. So let's talk about the Israeli insurance market first. It's quite a mature market, well developed, the most developed market in Western Asia. In the OECD countries, it ranks number 15 with $15 billion in premium. Now, most of the companies here are composite companies, and roughly 5 companies comprise about 85–90% of the market. So the life business is largely around life protection and savings business. The non-life is dominated by motor insurance, but healthcare is actually making quite a rise. The growth rates are higher and expected to overtake motor insurance at some point in the not too distant future. The market itself is dealing with low interest rate environments, as are many countries around the globe, the aging of the population, and it is a fairly high income middle-class market, like many Western European countries. Finally, there's a lot of M&A activity starting to kick up. It hasn't been that active in the past, but there have been recent activities on the M&A side. Now, regulation is a very critical area in Israel. There's been a tremendous volume of regulation relative to other countries, so much so that the cost of compliance is really a very significant matter. But one interesting thing about the regulation is that just in 2018, a recent law was passed to allow new digital companies to set up more quickly with lower capital requirements, which really is part of what the regulator has been emphasizing, which is digital by default. So Israel is a very interesting insurance market. So let's flip and talk about Insurtechs. Many people call Israel the nation of innovation, and I can see why. I'm here at this conference right behind me. Now, in 2017, Israeli Insurtechs raised about $200 million in private funding. And in fact, 5 of the top 15 Insurtechs either were founded in Israel or have Israeli founders themselves. So why Israel? In fact, I've asked this question of a lot of people, and many said it's because of the compulsory service in the military, where some of the latest and most advanced technologies occur. And so when you look at Insurtechs, where exactly is it occurring? We see a lot of activity around the front office, distribution, customer, and agents. We also see a lot around business processes, starting to move into areas like underwriting, claims, and even the process of customer and distribution. I think that this conference has really opened my eyes to much of the sophistication and innovation in the Israeli Insurtech, and that's the state of play in Israel.